Hello friends, welcome to my channel Vijan Master Mix. And in today's video we will learn that how to make D sharp or E flat major on piano, including all the inversions. While the spelling of E flat major or D sharp minor is, it's E flat, then when you press G, and then when you press this B flat together, then you make the chord of D flat, D sharp or E flat major. Once again I'm showing it to you. You have to press E flat, then G, and then B flat together to make the chord of E flat major. Moving on to first inversion, you have to press G first, then B flat, and then E flat to make the first inversion of D sharp major or E flat major. To get the second inversion, you have to press E flat, then flat, B flat, E flat, and then G, and this is how you will make D sharp or E flat major. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.